Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Engineer's Guide. As part of our PPM, this is monthly, that is MPPM, monthly Planned Preventive Maintenance. We do check all the pumps systems. First, we need to just keep all the system off. Main discharge, we keep it off. Then we will go about checking, cleaning up all the systems. So now, as you can see, we're just cleaning the system. We will just clean on the diesel. We are going to check the oil. We are going to check also if there is diesel in the tank. Then also as well, we will have to run the system also. But most of the times, we don't do flow test when it's on monthly. We just run auto mode running and manual mode running also as well. We do check the temper switch if they are all working properly. We check the interfacing also as well to check the battery health if it's good. So this is what actually we're gonna do today. So just stay tuned with us and you know how everything will do it. Now you would have to just close the main discharge valve first because of the testing, so then you will not disturb the other networks also as well. We just want to make everything inside in here. And quick reminder as how the system works for those of you who are joining us for the first time. This is actually the Jockey panel, this is the electric panel, and this is the diesel panel. All right, so Jockey panel is controlling the Jockey pump. Labeling has been made so it's easy to just go by. Okay, so that's the Jockey, and this is the line with the check valve, with the pressure gauge, then the sensor line, then the valve is there also connected to the delivery header or the delivery manifold. Right, now this is the suction. This is where the water is coming from. That is it. All right, so you can see that we are going by the 10D. The pipes that we are using is 6 inches and it's mostly like 60, more than that now. All right, it's more than 60 inches, the line from the discharge header up onto the pump suction, the suction header, the suction header. Okay, so as you can see from here, this is the discharge. It has a concentric reducer. It has expanded the system. It's reduced from the system, then it has been expanded up. Then we have this rubber bellow. Then this is the check valve, then sensor line, and the valve is there up onto the discharge header. And what we are looking at also, we can see the test line also as well, which mostly in quarterly PPM we do the flow test to just check the flow. All right, so this is actually the diesel engine which we are using, the Clark engine. All right, and it has 12 volts, so we have two pair, battery 1 and battery 2. Okay, so the valve has to be closed. Now you see it's closed. All right, system is closed. This is the diesel tank. The total diesel tank always has to have this kind of caution signage, highly inflammable. You need to have the fuel total capacity. This is 120 US gallon. All right, and you can see the fuel filling line. You can see the air vent also as well. It has to have that. This is the filling line and this is the gauge. So the pressure, the volume that you need to have, it has to be either 3/4 or full. All right, so that's it. Talking of this, the Jockey pump is supposed to start, so now we will reduce it. All right, then when it attains the cutting, that is 111, it's going to run by itself. So now let's see. Okay, so now it's running. So at one it's already closed. All right, so then we will just turn this one off, then run the electric. Just keep the electric on. So the electric has to start from 100 psi, and now we are going to reduce the pressure. Open a little bit. So now we have 115, 114. The cutting is 100 and the cutout is 121, but this is actually a manual stop, so it's going to stop by it. We need to just shut it off by ourselves. We have 0 amps because there is no load there now, and the pump is not running, and immediately it starts to run. So we have 100. Okay. Change from start to delta. So the electric has to be turned off. Then we will go with the diesel. We will turn it in auto mode. The diesel has to start from 95 psi. So now the pressure is 126 going down. It's in auto mode. The battery is full, charged 2 batteries. All right. It's also manual stop. So let's see, at 95 psi it's gonna start to run. Make sure it's in auto mode. Alright, and you can see also from here it's also in auto mode. So 96, 95.
battery one?
You wait a little bit. So we will test with manual. Okay, battery 1 and battery 2. Okay, so let's go battery 1. You need to wait for some time, then because the solenoid has to just retract back from the stop button. Okay, we can go battery 2. Same way you can try testing also from this side, selecting manual mode, then you can crank with crank 1 and crank 2 at the same time. All right, so let's try crank 1. Make sure to turn it on after. Sorry for that, it's a little bit loud. And make sure the screen stays on properly. So we have a pressure of 136, so it'll be okay. All right, so the system is now in auto mode. Then now you can see this is in off mode, so I'll turn it in auto mode. Okay, you have to make sure that the system is also open before. So now from this, it's already open. I open it. Make sure to open it with the jockey pump. Only the jockey has to be in auto. Then later on when you're done, you can just make this one also on, right? After service start has to be signed, report has to be made, then that is it. All right, so simply that's how we go by doing the monthly PPM of the fire pump system. And actually here also we have, I did not show you, we have the exhaust fan that runs whenever the diesel pump runs also as well. It did run, I checked, but I did not take the video. All right, so thanks for joining us. This is Engineer's Guide. Like, comment, share, and you can comment on what we can just tackle also as well. And thank you. Bye bye.